Hey everybody! I wanted to come on and give you guys an update, tell you what's been going on. So the last time I came on and told you guys that I needed to take my post test. So I did do, and I exceeded the minimum score. So I will be moving on to the next phase. And I'm so excited, you guys. I was having a little bit of anxiety about the test. I was just like, oh no, am I gonna remember the information? And did I learn enough? But I did well on it, a lot better than anticipated. And I'm excited to be saying that I am moving forward. So overall, just a snippet of what the pre-work was. I would consider it like a crash course into JavaScript, crash course into HTML, crash course into CSS, and a crash course into basic computer science. And when I say computer science, I mean like, what is the internet and how did it become the internet, and how did computers learn to communicate, and why and how programming works, and who established integrated systems, and who established the internet, who established programming, that kind of stuff. So very basic computer science, but overall still well-rounded enough so that you get the point. This is by no means a computer science program. It is concentrated on, at least the one that I have enrolled into, is concentrated and centered on learning how to program or learning JavaScript. So by no means is it a 4-year college computer science program. It is just a get her done boot camp to learning how to program in JavaScript, and they have so far done a very good job teaching vanilla JavaScript, which is just basic JavaScript. So going forward, we are going to learn some more frameworks, more languages. When I complete this program, I will be a full stack developer. So that's awesome to be able to say that. This has been a long time coming. I have been wanting to be a full stack developer for a number of years. So to finally see the end goal in sight is nice. It's really nice. I am anticipating what to expect in the coming months, but I'm excited and I'm hopeful. So I appreciate you guys following me along on my journey and rooting me on and connecting with me and just kind of being that extra support, But all right, you guys, I don't want to make this a long video. I did mention in my last video that there was a project and the test. So the test is required, the project is not, and I can say that confidently as a flex student, which is a non-live program. So essentially I teach myself, and we are not required to do both. They do want you to do both, but the test is the for sure, you don't pass this, you don't move forward. Now, it may be different for the live students where both are required or just the project is required. I'm not sure, but that I'm sure will be addressed if you do enroll into this program, and contingent on which one you enroll into. So I do want to do the project, although the test was their way of testing to see what I knew. Doing the project and applying what I've learned is my way of testing to see what I know. To see where I need to maybe work some more, to maybe go back and look at those lessons. And I do actually want to go back and look at some of the lessons that we discussed just to make sure that I know that I know that I know it. Always got to know that I know that I know it. So I am and I do want to do that. And I was going to use code from previous projects, but I realized by the time I've cleaned it up and finished reading it through to try to understand what I was trying to convey on those pages, it would have just been easier to create a new page. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to create a quick one-pager, include some JavaScript in there now that I know it. We know that I know HTML and CSS. I showcased some of my projects previously on there or on here. So I am just going to just incorporate some JavaScript. I'm not sure how much, but I'm excited to be able to even say that I can include JavaScript in it. A few months ago, I was like, I don't know how to do a JavaScript. I was wanting to learn how to do it. I wanted to know, because you can't have a properly functioning app or web page without JavaScript. I mean, it's a foundational language. So now that I know it, I can go ahead and include that in my projects now. So that's really nice to be able to say that. So glad I'm learning something, glad I'm progressing forward. It is a beautiful day. It is a very sunny, hot day, but it's gorgeous. Again, my video decided to cut off. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm gonna work on that, but just wanted to finalize my video. Thanks for visiting me. I hope you guys are having a good one. I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.